guys, I'm Heather Voll with VollSquared and Remax Excalibur in Arizona and Remax Bakken Realty in North Dakota. And I'm here today with Alex.
Hey guys.
Alex is with Academy Mortgage, a local lender here in Arizona that VollSquared loves to partner with. We figured we'd hop on and do a quick little video to discuss interest rates today. We know that that's been a very big concern to some of our buyers that are out there combating what to do and how to feel about it. So we figured we'd give a quick discussion because we know that there's a little bit of uncertainty in the mortgage or industry of making sure that you, one, can afford it, and two, is it in your best interest to buy? So Alex is joining me here today. Alex, why don't you give us a little insight of what you think about those interest rates and how you guys are combating those?
It is certainly the number one topic today. You're absolutely right, Heather. It's the biggest topic of contention, and the news media does a great job of fear-mongering everybody into waiting on the sidelines. So here to give it to you straight,
okay.
Something important to think about is we have sort of a short-term memory loss. Just recently, we had COVID, which produced the lowest interest rates
that we've ever seen. Yep, and probably might not see again.
Probably not, because what it took to produce those rates is, I mean, a once in 100-year event, right? A global pandemic that shuts down everything. Right? So it's not really fair to compare today's rates based on a 1 in 100-year event. Let's look more at the average of rates over the last 60 years. That average is 8%.
Okay.
So historically, if you're getting an interest rate under 8%, you're doing pretty good.
Sure, that's awesome. I know one thing that I keep getting asked is I'm gonna wait until those prices drop and the interest rate drops too before I buy. And I keep reminding people the biggest thing is you marry the home and date the rate.
I love that saying. That's a great way to put it.
So why don't you tell us some fun ways that you guys are allowing somebody to date the rate? Like what's a cool program that you guys can help a person get into a home with?
Yeah, so I think the name of the game right now is getting into a house with as little out of pocket as possible.
Okay.
Most rates are gonna include at least a point, maybe two.
Okay.
And the reason for that is because the banks know, because Fannie Mae just came out with an article stating they anticipate rates coming down next year, down to around the 4s.
Okay, that's lovely.
That's a good insight and sort of a relief in the dating world, right?
Yes, back to that date the rate.
Yeah, so if you're on a date and you don't know how long it's gonna last.
You want an exit plan.
Yeah, exactly. So the banks know that there's gonna be an exit strategy here, and if everybody's gonna be refinancing within the next 12 months, it's gonna be hard for them to make any money off of 8 payments.
Okay.
So they're charging a point or two, which should make buyers feel more comfortable. If the banks know that rates are gonna come down, chances are they probably will. Okay. So what we're doing to help combat the high rates and go with a better option for out-of-pocket is 100% financing. So that allows you to get into a house with as little out-of-pocket as possible.
And I might like that because maybe I want to decorate those cupboards or buy a new couch or something, so I can buy this house with 0 down?
You can get pretty darn close. I mean, so if we combine, for example, I have 100% financing, right? So that means there's not a first loan and a second loan. It's one loan that covers 100% of the first, no down payment. Okay. So what's left? Closing costs. Okay. This program is for first-time home buyers. Great news is we're seeing seller concessions again, right?
It's wonderful, the power of negotiation.
Cut back to 8 months ago, people were spending $50,000 over asking. Well, now they can get a credit towards their closing costs.
That's fantastic, and that is one advice that I'm giving my buyers out there right now. If you were at a $540,000 home, but you really want to negotiate and be around $500,000, maybe $510,000, instead of asking for the full $40,000 off that home, a good tactic would be ask for $20,000 off the price, and that really is going to change your mortgage shortly, but then ask for the additional monies that you would like off of that to pay for the things like buying down a point, paying off your PMI. That's really where you're going to see the difference in your mortgage payment, correct?
That's super smart, and one of the real benefits of this program is that there's no mortgage insurance as well.
Oh, okay.
So when you're talking about dating the house, or
marrying the house and dating the rate.
I've been married for too long, I forgot what dating was. That allows you to take that higher interest rate now without the mortgage insurance, and then when there is that improvement, you don't have to worry about that MI. We'll keep you out of it, and hopefully you'll have enough equity at that time that you can stay out of it.
I absolutely love that. I think that right now with the uncertainty of everything, I really appreciate that you lenders are coming together and come up with these programs that I can present to my buyers and help show them like it's time to buy because you can afford that payment. You're looking for that move. You're excited about this. So let's go talk with Alex at Academy and see what we can do to get it done. So if they want to find more information, how do they get a hold of you?
They can find me on YouTube at Alex Shelton Loan Officer. My email is alex.shelton@academymortgage.com. And you can call or text 760-835-6510.
Awesome. And if they have any questions about what the market's doing, or maybe they just literally want to discuss real estate, you're free.
Call, text, email. I'll take smoke signals.
I love it. Awesome. Well, thank you for joining us today. We appreciate the camaraderie, and we look forward to the future of real estate.
Thanks so much for having me. Bye, guys.
Thank you. Bye.